Hello everyone, I'm Ichi-eh Ndu-Ka. Welcome to African Native Tales by Ichi-eh Ndu-Ka. Ever heard about the word Dibia? A term that evokes high regard among the Igbo society. Who is really a Dibia? It's a term associated with figures whose knowledge and wisdom transcend the ordinary. The word Dibia is derived from two Igbo words di, meaning master or lord, and abia, meaning knowledge. Together, they form the title Dibia, the master of knowledge, one who has been guided to hidden wisdom. These revered individuals play a crucial role in the community, offering solutions to both spiritual, mental, social, emotional, and physical challenges. They are sought after for their expertise, their connection to the divine, and their ability to navigate the mysteries of the world. There are various types of Dibia in Igbo society, each with unique skills and specializations. First, we have the traditional healers, the herbalists. These Dibia are masters in the use of plants, roots, and ancient remedies. They use their deep understanding of nature to cure illnesses, treating ailments that range from simple to the most complex afflictions. Their healing practices are deeply rooted in indigenous knowledge, passed down through generations. They are referred to as native doctors. But not all Dibia focus on healing through medicine. Some are masters of the unseen world, the diviners. These Dibia use esoteric tools, such as the Offa tools, a sacred divination object, to gain insight into the past, the present, and the future. Through their connection with the divine, they provide answers, offering clarity and direction to those who seek knowledge or face uncertainty. They are the ones who point out problems and provide solutions, guiding individuals and communities on their path. Then, there are those whose expertise lies in the combination and manipulation of energy, known as Agwu. These Dibia understand the intricate balance between nature's energies, combining them in powerful ways. They channel energy from plants, animals, and nature's elements such as the sun, earth, water, and wind, directing it toward a specific purpose. It is through this mastery of energies that they can heal, protect, or even bring about change. Among the many types of Dibia, there are those who are masters of the rain. They possess the rare and sacred knowledge of controlling the weather, using herbs, roots, and stones to either summon the rain or halt its fall. With sacred rituals, they cast the smoke of burning herbs into the sky, sending their intentions to the heavens. Among the Dibia, there are those who are called the Eze, the traditional priests. They are in charge of the ancestral gods and goddesses. They serve as a connection between the people and these gods and goddesses. These Eze are all part of the Dibia, but not all Dibia are Eze. In addressing them, Eze becomes a prefix followed by the name of the gods or goddesses they are in charge of. But what does it take to become a Dibia? To become a Dibia is not a matter of mere desire. It is a divine calling. One must first be found worthy by Agwu, a patron deity for health and divination. It is Agwu who connects the initiates to the infinite intelligence of the universe, guiding them through the path to uncommon wisdom that transcends the ordinary. Once the Dibia has received the Agwu, the sacred spirit that guides them, the journey of knowledge truly begins. The path is long, and it requires years of apprenticeship under the watchful eye of a certified elder Dibia. Only after many years of rigorous training and learning can one truly master the arts of healing, divination, or energy combination and manipulation. But one can't just claim to have been chosen by Agwu. There are processes. A divination Dibia must be consulted, and the umunna, the kinsman, will do the final vetting, tracing from which part of the family the Agwu has chosen you from. It can be from the paternal or maternal side. A Dibia is not just a healer, nor just a seer. A Dibia is a bridge between the human and the divine, a master of knowledge, a protector, and a guide. Their role in Igbo society is sacred, and their wisdom is an invaluable treasure, reminding that in every corner of the universe, there is wisdom waiting to be uncovered. And in Igbo society, it is the Dibia who illuminates the path to that wisdom. Thanks for joining us again today. Stay tuned as we uncover more stories of the African cultural practices, traditional belief, myths, legends, and wisdom. Hit the subscribe and follow button as you join us on both YouTube and TikTok. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.